Okay, ma? Now 30 degrees angle is over. Now we have to define the trigonometric ratios for angle 60 degrees. Okay. Now theta equals to 60 degrees. What is the first trigonometric ratio? Sine. Okay. Now sine theta equals to sine 60 degrees equals to, what is the sine ratio, ma? Nothing but length of opposite side of angle theta or opposite side to angle 60 degrees. Okay, nothing but length of hypotenuse. Okay. Now what is the opposite side to angle 60 degrees? Now look at here, ma. Our angle 60 is here. Okay. I am taking here this ADC triangle. Instead of this ADC, we have to take ADB also, but I am taking ADC triangle. Okay. In this ADC right angle triangle, angle 60 is here. So angle 60 is here with respect to 60. This AD is the opposite side to 60 degrees, and this AC fixed as remains hypotenuse. So what is the opposite side to angle 60? Nothing but AD by AC. What is the AD value, ma? Nothing but root 3 by 2 x by AC value x. This x gets cancelled. Now sin 60 is equals to root 3 by 2. Okay. This is the sin 60 value. Sin 60 degrees equals to root 3 by 2. Next, we shall go for cos 60 degrees. What is the cos 60 degrees, ma? That is nothing but length of adjacent side of angle 60 by length of hypotenuse. Okay. Now cos 60 is equals to, what is adjacent side now? 60 degrees angle is here. This GC is the adjacent side to 60 degrees. That is nothing but CD by, now length of hypotenuse is AC. Okay, CD value x by 2 by AC value x. Okay, this becomes x by 2x. X gets cancelled. What is remaining here? 1 by 2. Now cos 60 degrees we got 1 by 2. Okay, right here cos 60 degrees equals to 1 by 2. Okay, right, ma? Okay, ma, right? Now tan 60 degrees. Tan theta, in place of theta we have to replace 60 degrees. What is the tan ratio, ma? Length of opposite side to angle 60 degrees by length of adjacent side to angle 60 degrees. Okay, that is nothing but angle 60. Opposite side is this AD by adjacent side is CD. Okay, what is the AD value, ma? Nothing but root 3 by 2 x by CD value x by 2. Okay, what this becomes? Tan 60 degrees is equals to root 3 by 2 x into 2 by x. This ratio becomes reciprocal when multiplication. Okay, I am representing this by dot. This x gets cancelled. This 2 gets cancelled. What is around now? Tan 60 value nothing but root 3. Okay, right. Tan 60 equals to root 3. Now we are having some formulas here. What are the formulas? Tan theta equals to, cot theta equals to 1 by tan theta, and secant theta equals to 1 by cos theta, and cosec theta equals to 1 by sin theta. Okay, by these formulas I am directly defining the cot 60. So cot 60 is equals to 1 by tan 60, that is nothing but 1 by tan 60 value ma root 3. Okay, now cot 60 is equals to 1 by root 3. Next, coming to secant 60. Secant 60 degrees is equals to 1 by cos 60 degrees, that is nothing but, what is the cos 60 degrees value? 1 by 2. 1 by 1 by 2. This 2 goes to numerator. Now this is 2. Now secant 60 degrees is equals to value 2. Next, cosec 60 degrees, that is nothing but 1 by sin 60 degrees. So sin 60 value 1 by root 3 by 2. This 2 goes to numerator, that is nothing but 2 by root 3. Finally cosec 60 degrees we got 2 by root 3 is the value. Now I am writing here cot 60 degrees equals to 1 by root 3, secant 60 degrees equals to 2, cosec 60 degrees equals to 2 by root 3. Here these 3 are defined by using the formal formula. What is that? Ratios. Okay, these 3 by formulas. These 3 also we can define by the same ratios. Okay, pause the video ma and write down the notes. Next we shall look at for 0 degrees and 90 degrees.